In today's fast-paced world, where individuality and personal expression are highly valued, modern custom furniture design has emerged as a powerful way to revamp living spaces. Unlike mass-produced items that often lack character and uniqueness, custom furniture allows homeowners to create pieces that not only fit their specific needs but also reflect their personal style. The beauty of custom furniture lies in its ability to blend function with aesthetics, ensuring that every piece serves a purpose while enhancing the overall ambience of a room. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern custom furniture design ideas to revamp your living space's pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the most significant trends in modern custom furniture design is the emphasis on sustainability. With growing awareness of environmental issues, many designers are opting for eco-friendly materials and production methods. This shift not only benefits the planet, but also appeals to consumers who want their homes to reflect their values. Reclaimed wood, for instance, has become a popular choice for custom furniture. It brings character and history to a space, with each piece telling its own story. Whether used for a dining table, shelves, or accent pieces, reclaimed wood adds warmth and a rustic charm that can soften contemporary designs. Another trend gaining traction is the use of multifunctional furniture. As living spaces become smaller, especially in urban environments, the need for versatile pieces has never been more critical. Custom furniture designers are rising to the challenge by creating innovative solutions that maximize space without sacrificing style. For example, a custom coffee table could be designed to include hidden storage compartments or transform into a dining table when needed. Sofa beds with stylish designs can offer both comfort and functionality, making them ideal for small apartments or guest rooms. These multifunctional pieces not only save space but also allow homeowners to adapt their living areas to suit various occasions. Color and texture play a crucial role in modern custom furniture design. Homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to incorporate bold colors and unique textures into their spaces. Custom furniture provides the perfect opportunity to experiment with different finishes and materials. For instance, a sleek, modern sofa can be upholstered in a vibrant velvet fabric, adding a touch of luxury and sophistication to the room. Similarly, accent chairs can be customized with eye-catching patterns or textures that serve as focal points within the decor. By selecting colors and materials that resonate with their personal style, homeowners can create cohesive and inviting environments. The integration of technology into furniture design is another exciting development in the realm of custom pieces. As smart homes become more prevalent, designers are incorporating technological features into their creations. For example, a custom media console can be designed with built-in charging stations for devices, cable management systems to keep cords organized, and even integrated speakers for a seamless entertainment experience. Additionally, adjustable desks that cater to the growing trend of remote work are becoming increasingly popular. These desks can be customized to include features such as height adjustability and integrated storage solutions, ensuring that they meet the needs of modern lifestyles. Incorporating personal elements into custom furniture design can also significantly enhance the appeal of a living space. Homeowners often have cherished items or heirlooms that they want to showcase within their decor. Custom furniture provides an excellent opportunity to create display pieces that highlight these treasured possessions. For instance, a custom bookshelf can be designed to accommodate specific sizes of books or decorative items, while also incorporating unique shelving shapes or configurations that make it stand out. A bespoke display cabinet can showcase family heirlooms or art collections in a way that is both functional and visually appealing. The concept of biophilic design is gaining popularity in modern interior spaces, emphasizing the connection between nature and the built environment. Custom furniture can play a vital role in achieving this aesthetic by incorporating natural elements and organic shapes. Designers may create pieces that feature live-edge wood tables or chairs with flowing lines that mimic natural forms. Additionally, integrating planters into furniture designs allows homeowners to bring greenery indoors seamlessly. A coffee table with an integrated planter or a side table that doubles as a plant stand can create a refreshing atmosphere while promoting well-being. As open-concept living spaces continue to dominate modern architecture, the need for furniture that defines different areas within these layouts has become essential. Custom furniture can help delineate spaces while maintaining a cohesive design aesthetic. For example, custom room dividers made from wood or fabric can create visual boundaries without closing off spaces entirely. Similarly, strategically placed custom shelving units can serve as both storage solutions and decorative elements that help define areas within an open floor plan. As we move further into the future, it's clear that modern custom furniture design will continue evolving alongside changing lifestyles and preferences. The integration of new technologies, sustainable practices, and innovative materials will shape how we think about our living spaces. The desire for personalization will drive consumers toward bespoke solutions that cater specifically to their needs and tastes. Ultimately, revamping living spaces through modern custom furniture design is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating environments that resonate with individuals on a personal level. Each piece tells a story, one of craftsmanship, creativity, and individuality, and contributes to the overall narrative of a home. By embracing these contemporary design ideas, homeowners can transform their living spaces into reflections of who they are while enjoying functional and beautiful environments tailored just for them. In conclusion, modern custom furniture design offers endless possibilities for revamping living spaces in unique and meaningful ways. By prioritizing sustainability, functionality, personalization, craftsmanship, and comfort, homeowners have the opportunity to create interiors that truly resonate with their lifestyles and values. Whether through multifunctional pieces that adapt to changing needs or bespoke designs that showcase personal collections, the potential for transformation is limited only by imagination. As we continue navigating an ever-evolving landscape of design trends and innovations, embracing custom furniture will undoubtedly remain at the forefront of creating beautiful and functional living spaces that feel like home. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.